You're not here yet, no? I told you.
Gary drove?
No, I drove today. Oh. Give Gary a break.
Gaz, if I have hair like you at 50, I'll be happy.
I got the ale last night, wasn't it?
Tremendous, lads. Well done. 5 misplaced passes there, whether it wasn't to feet or whether it was skew up. Sharpen up. Come on. Even if it's a bounce pass, okay? Ewan, that 11 dropped, you're aggressive, you don't need to commit that foul. Callum, scream that one ball in. Go on, He's picking up there, of course. Zonal, and then when Steve was telling me to go, he took the lad in the keeper. Yeah, he's just tripped. Come on, Perry, keep it going, lads. One save, we'll make a match, come on. Callum, you're in! Yes! Yes! Okay, let's go back in.
Knew this was going to be a difficult game. You know, Gary's managed it at this level for years, and you know, Penrhyncoch, you know, have stayed in the league and got back promoted in this league because of him, because of how he can organise a team and you know how his teams play. You know, they never really threatened us, but then we also didn't take chances to kill the game off in the first half, so they were always in the game until obviously we got the second goal. I thought our lads applied themselves excellently. I think the game plan that we set out to get our wide players 1v1 against their full-backs worked. We got a lot of crosses into their box, but maybe we just weren't sharp enough in their box to kind of finish the moves off. But our lads were excellent. You know, having a week off and then coming back into play against a difficult side can be quite hard. And like I said, we needed to take advantage of some of the results that happened last night, and we've done that. So. And yet again, another clean sheet. Peel hasn't made a save all game. I don't even know if they've had a shot on our goal, so it's compliments to all the players from the back line to the front line in the way that they defend as a team and continue to defend as a team. And I did know people were out in the numbers again today in not great conditions, so I'd like to thank them all for keep on supporting us, because it means a lot, and that's why we're getting the success that we are, because we're one and we're all in this together, whether we're players, coaches, directors, fans, volunteers or staff. So we just move on to the next game now and focus on that.